The AirPods Pro 4 are not just an evolution. They are the moment the earbud becomes a computer. For a decade, we've treated our headphones as accessories, something we plug in to escape the world. But as we move into late 2026, Apple is flipping the script. With the rumored H3 chip and the introduction of infrared eyes, the AirPods Pro 4 are designed to be the primary interface for your digital life. Today, we're breaking down the most ambitious leap in audio history. We're talking about earbuds that can see, hear, and feel better than you can. The US tech landscape is currently obsessed with invisible computing. We see it with the Vision Pro, and we see it with the rise of AI-powered wearables. But the AirPods Pro 4 are different because they are already in your pocket. As we look at the 2026 leaks, one thing is clear. Apple is moving away from the audio-only model. They are turning the AirPods into a health clinic and a motion controller, all while trying to solve the one problem that has plagued wireless audio since its inception: latency. Let's start with the most controversial rumor: the cameras. No, Apple isn't putting a GoPro in your ear to take selfies. These are low-resolution infrared sensors, and their purpose is entirely spatial. Think about the Vision Pro's hand tracking. Now, imagine that same technology shrunk down into the stem of your AirPods. This would allow for air gestures. You could change the volume by sliding your finger in the air next to your ear, or skip a track with a flick of your wrist, without ever touching the plastic. It's about reducing friction. In a world where we are constantly moving, the ability to control our environment without physical contact is the ultimate pro feature. But the real magic happens inside the new H3 chip. The H2 was a masterpiece, but it's beginning to show its age in the face of modern AI. The H3 is rumored to be built on a 3-nanometer process, similar to the M5 and A19 chips. This allows for Adaptive Noise Cancellation 2.0. We're not just talking about blocking out the hum of an airplane. We're talking about a chip that can identify specific voices and sounds in real time. Imagine being at a crowded Starbucks in Manhattan. The AirPods Pro 4 could theoretically lock onto the person sitting across from you, isolating their voice while digitally erasing the espresso machine and the 30 other people talking around you. It's not just noise cancellation, it's audio surgery. And then there's the hearing health revolution. Apple has already dipped its toes into this with the AirPods Pro 2. But with the 4, they are going for full FDA-grade clinical integration. We are looking at heart rate monitoring and body temperature sensors built directly into the ear tips. Why the ear? Because the skin inside your ear canal is much thinner and has more consistent blood flow than your wrist. For the millions of Americans who use an Apple Watch to track their fitness, the AirPods Pro 4 will provide the missing data. It's a more accurate, more consistent way to track your recovery, your stress levels, and even early signs of illness. But there's a catch. All this tech requires power. The battery anxiety is real, especially for a US audience that uses their AirPods for back-to-back Zoom calls and long commutes. The H3 chip's primary goal isn't just power, it's efficiency. Rumors suggest we might finally see a jump to 8 hours of continuous listening with ANC enabled. And with the new smart case, which is rumored to feature a small, discrete display for Find My and battery status, you'll never be left in the dark. Speaking of the case, the move to USB-C was